What's up, I'm Brandon Diaz. This is my Edwin De La Rosa bike. My bike check right here. Got the Odyssey 2-piece cranks with the Welgo pedals. I got the Fit sprocket with the gold magneto chain. I got the ASM Animal rear tire. I got a white profile hub in the back. I got the fitted frame, 2010. Sanded it all down. Looks pretty dope. I got the Fit Bico seat. I got a Fit fat tire in the front, Alienation front rim. Got the Fit blades. Got the Sky Highs. And I got the Animal grips. I got animal bearings everywhere. And I got the DLR stem, Fit DLR. And that's my bike check.